Bisco Industries is a global distributor of value-added product that goes into a multitude of industries ranging from aerospace to industrial equipment and everything in between.
We believe that the customer is king, and we have solid team members in place throughout North America to service those customers.
Bisco Industries has 48 locations throughout North America and 7 distribution hubs. Each of these locations is strategically positioned to be as close to customers as possible.
I'd say the biggest challenge that our salespeople or our organization at Bisco Industries is facing is the ever-increasing demands from our customers that are either prime contractors or working with the government, or just demands on them to have a quality product delivered on time.
Accuride plays a key role in helping Bisco overcome those challenges. We lean on Accuride for their dynamic products and also their exceptional team members.
Accuride has actually been a fantastic supply partner for us. I've had the opportunity to visit the production facility for Accuride and learned really quickly that quality was an incredibly important aspect to what they're doing. And then the on-time delivery that Accuride provides, being a very efficiently run organization and manufacturing process, has been crucial for us being able to meet and satisfy our customers' needs.
One of the biggest things that Accuride is able to provide is quality product in a timely manner. As all of our customers know, on-time delivery and rejection rate are paramount to customer satisfaction.
There's been a lot of changes that have happened. The company has nearly doubled in size of both employees and sales, but one thing has kind of remained consistent, and that's that our employees are our greatest asset, and I really think that's made us a front runner in the industry of being able to achieve our customers' needs.